Are you okay, mommy? Guys, she's running a fever. Look at her hair. She just woke up and she's still smiling. You okay, mommy? You okay? She's running a fever. I gave her Motrin. So, I should assume Motrin didn't work, right? Now, I don't know if I can give her anything else. She's warm. Hey guys, good morning. It is June 11th. This weekend has been really rough, guys. Valentina has been running a fever since yesterday. However, I've been trying to give her medication to keep it down. But this morning, around 8 o'clock, I noticed she was warm. So I was like, alright, let me give her a little bit of Motrin. Obviously, that didn't work. So, she fell asleep. She woke up and she was drenched in sweat. Besides the fact that she had a long sleeve, you know, for the night, because I don't cover her or anything. I just give her like her Muslim blanket. And anyway, so she woke up drenched. Obviously, Motrin is not working. It's gonna be a long day. I have her in a onesie. You're such a good baby. Oh, even though you're sick, you're such a good baby. Yes. Yes. ¿Quieres ir a pasear a la calle un ratito, mami? A caminar? Hi. I have her in her onesie. She's in good spirits. She's doing okay. Just here and there, she will cry when I change her. She pooped fine. She was having trouble again pooping because she hadn't pooped in like 24 hours. But she pooped already. So she's doing okay on that end. Right now, oh, what happened? I'm gonna clean your face right now, okay? But yeah, hopefully I can give her Tylenol within a few hours because Motrin didn't work. So I'm gonna wait, obviously, a few hours to try and give her something else, and hopefully that works. Her mattress cover. So now I'm gonna spray it and clean it. You guys know, everything I do has to be cleaned. I know it's plastic. If you guys haven't tried this from the 99-cent store, I say you do. I love it. Smells amazing, and it's very cheap. Alright, so I'm going to put on the pink one. Have you guys heard of linen sprays? Oh my god. So there's one I'm strongly addicted to. I'll show you guys. I bought it at Marshall's. It says deodorizes and refreshes. It's by amysullivan.com. It smells so good. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray her sheets so they can smell amazing. This stuff smells so good. It is, mommy? Alright guys, look at what my friend sent me from Texas. She knows Valentina is always taking my makeup, so she got her some of these. Oh, that's so cute. And then she sent me something. Can you guys guess what's in here? Nothing from Too Faced, guys. It's just the box that she used. Ah, look at these. I'm kidding. Look at what's in here. Ah! Look. 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 Look at how beautiful these colors are. Ah! I want to scream. I'm excited. I know you guys call me crazy, but I love it. Alright guys, you guys see that wet spot? I just changed it. It is about 4:40 and she woke up in sweat. She took a nap from like 2 o'clock. Around that time I gave her Motrin and she fell asleep a little while after, so maybe like 2:30 to 4:30, and she's wet again. I'm trying to keep her cool as possible. How do you feel? You feel okay? ¿Estás bien, mami? You're so silly. You're so silly. Alright, so it's 4:40 and I fell asleep. I washed some clothes. I went quickly to get it and I came back up. And so you guys can see Valentina's wet spot. That's as wet as it was this morning when she woke up. Same thing. And I had already given her the Motrin. So I guess it's just a slow release, a small delayed release. I don't know. I myself, I don't want to worry too much because I don't want to make myself sick. Last week I was sick myself. My blood pressure was high, so I had to take a break. I'm glad I got the laundry done and I don't have to worry about that because... oh my god, I have clean clothes now. So yeah, we're just relaxing and watching TV. What is that? Hey, don't touch my palette. Look at, show it to everybody, the Clover palette. This shit is beautiful. And of course, she wants to play with me. Mind you, did I tell you guys she broke the chocolate palette that I have? From here, this came off. So for sure, she's not coming close to that one. Alright guys, we're gonna call it a night. It's about to be 10 in a few minutes. So she's still running a fever. I'm trying to keep it down. And for that I'm using the Motrin. And we'll see how she wakes up tomorrow. Let's hope that it's all because of her teething. I'm not sure if I mentioned to you guys, but her second tooth is coming out. So I'm assuming that's the reason why she has fever. So fingers crossed that it goes away soon and she doesn't have to be on medication. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.